this and goodbye to joint pain. Surely it has happened to you sometime, getting up in the morning tired as if you had made a great effort at night. It is difficult for you to move your hands, and when going down the stairs you feel punctures in the knees. How can we relieve the insufferable joint pain? We give you simple tips below to apply to your day-to-day. 1. Take ginger daily. A study by the University of Miami tells us that taking 2 capsules daily ginger helps us to deflate the joints and relieve pain. In fact, the properties of ginger are very similar to those of ibuprofen itself, but without the consequent side effects such as stomach pain or circulatory risks. These ginger tablets can be found in natural stores or in herbal shops. It is normal to take 2 a day. Anyway, you know that you can also use the classic infusion. Grate the equivalent of a tablespoon of the ginger root itself, and bring it to a boil next to a cup of water. Take it in the morning and in the afternoon. 2. Watch out for certain foods. Take note of the following foods that we are going to detail. It is best to eliminate them or take them in very few quantities to be able to relieve joint pain. Dairy contain an element called casein that promote inflammation of the joints. If you are a lover of milk and yogurts, start to think about reducing it for the sake of your health and your quality of life. Red meat, avoid it altogether. It is not good for general health, and especially if you usually have problems in your joints. Wheat, surprised? It is possible. And there are recent studies that tell us that wheat and many grains that contain that known element called gluten, which often cause inflammation in the joints of people suffering from arthritis. Solution? Reduce this element in your diet to see if in doing so, you find relief. There are people who do not notice changes, but there are many who do recognize that they have a better quality of life by eliminating gluten. I hope this address helps you a lot. Thank you very much. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.